Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a simple 1200 calorie diet plan for fast and healthy weight loss. This plan is balanced, easy to follow and perfect if you are looking to shed some extra kilos without starving yourself. Let's start step by step. As soon as you wake up, you have to take early morning detox drink. You can either drink chia seed water, soak 1 teaspoon chia seed overnight in a glass of water and have it in the morning. Or you can go for methi water, soak 1 teaspoon methi seeds overnight and drink the water in the morning. After having this drink, do not eat anything for the next 20 minutes. These steps helps in boosting digestion and improve metabolism naturally. After early morning drink, for breakfast, you have two healthy options. Option 1 is vegetable omelette made with 2 whole eggs mixed with veggies like capsicum, onion, spinach or tomato, along with 1 slice of multigrain bread. Or you can have option 2, which is poha, around 80 grams cooked poha. To increase its protein value, you can add 20 gram boiled soya chunks into it. If you have a habit of drinking tea or coffee, you can have it, but avoid adding sugar. You can use a few drops of stevia if you like it sweet. Around mid-morning, go for a light snack. You can either have a cup of seasonal fruit like watermelon or yogurt fruit ball. Take 100 gram plain curd, add half apple or half banana and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of mixed seeds or nuts like pumpkin seed, flax seed or almonds. Before lunch, drink a glass of water. It helps in slightly suppressing appetite and aids digestion, making sure you don't overeat during meals. In lunch, you have two delicious options. Option 1 is paneer wrap. Make a wrap using a roti made of 50% sattu flour and 50% wheat flour. Fill it with 100 gram grilled paneer and sauteed vegetables like onion and capsicum. Apply a thin layer of green chutney or tomato sauce and roll it up into a healthy wrap. Option 2 is rajma curry. Take 100 gram cooked rajma along with 1 multigrain roti and 100 gram cucumber salad. In the evening, keep it light yet satisfying. You can have 1 paneer sandwich made with 2 small slices of multigrain bread and 50 gram paneer filling, or 20 gram roasted makhana with a cup of green tea. Make sure to go for a 30-minute light walk. Walking before dinner not only helps burn calories but also improves digestion and regulates blood sugar levels. Try to have your dinner before 8 p.m. Here are two options. Option 1 is moong dal chila, made with a half cup soaked moong dal, blended with basic spices, cooked like pancake, served with green chutney. Option 2 is any homemade sabzi like bhindi, tori, loki, cooked in minimal oil with 1 multigrain roti and 100 gram curd. This 1200 calorie diet is low in unhealthy fats, high in protein, rich in fiber and for promoting healthy fat loss without crash dieting. This 1200 calorie diet plan is designed to nourish your body while helping you achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. It's balanced with the right amount of protein, good fat, fiber and essential nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Follow this plan consistently, stay active, keep yourself hydrated and prioritize good sleep. With dedication and small daily effort, you will start seeing positive changes not just in your weight but also in your overall health and energy levels. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.